Is your PS4 controller refusing to charge, leaving you stuck on the sidelines? First, let's check the most obvious, the charging cable and the charging port. Ensure your charging cable is securely plugged into both your controller and your PS4. Next, inspect the cable itself. Look for any visible damage like rips, tears, or bent connectors. If the cable looks worn, try a different USB cable, preferably one you know works with other devices. A faulty cable is a very common culprit. Now, let's investigate the PS4's USB ports. Try plugging your controller into a different USB port on your console. Sometimes, one port may fail, while the others function perfectly. If the controller shows a charging light, you found the problem. If you've swapped cables and ports and still can't get a charge, go into your PS4 settings and make sure that USB ports are providing power when the console is in rest mode. This can often be the solution. Still no luck? Try powering off your PS4 completely and then connecting the controller to charge. This can sometimes reset the charging process. If all else fails, there may be a fault with the controller's internal battery. If that is the case, you may need to replace your controller or have it professionally repaired.